Hi guys. Hi. So it's our first day. We're on the metro. On the metro.
So exciting. We all safely got on the metro.
So we're all here. Sports and
food.
And cooking combined.
Everybody, we have two pancakes, one right here, one right.
Final product of our hash.
Can we turn off the oven now?
Yeah, I think we should.
It's so good.
I'm taking another pretzel.
We did that, guys. So far, this is our hash, guys. I'm Miss Cannon.
Variety of rice from Japan. There are a bunch of different types of rice in the world, and they. So, thumbs underneath the mat. Pinch the nori with your index fingers. Go up and over. Join the close edge of rice to the far edge of rice and press down. Nice.
Did I do it?
And you hold it. This is not pressure. This is a little bit looser. Okay, you go like this.
Day 3.
Yay!
Then my mama got in, like, I gotta call my mama something.
Yeah, my mom started cracking up so hard. It was so funny. Like, I didn't think it was funny. I started panicking. But my mom was laughing, just laughing.
She's in here talking about something. You know, I get in the crisis mom.
Me too. I like your call. I would have laughed too.
Well, I guess.
My parents would have just shook their head at me like, oh, really?
Can you finally vlogging?
You know what? That's nice to carry.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, yours is elegant. Oh my goodness, beautiful.
Right, because Sean, there's
Oops, I
fingers.
think that one's
Wow, I have watched them regularly today. Okay, regularly.
Do you want to there she goes. There she blows. It's the big white whale.
After you get this
Ready, my friend?
incorporated,
Sure.
you're going to do about half of what you have
Okay.
left.
She ate 1/3 of that, so that's about 1/3
And
is.
then you can move
There.
on to this and free it.
You try next.
Okay, makes sense?
Yeah.
Can't sit here and do nothing. Just staring.
There you go.
I think this is
Can't
hiding
armchair
under the
quarterback the moose.
There's the moves. The dinner rolls are in there. Sean has his thing open. And then the eclairs are not open yet. Our final day.